everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can recover your WhatsApp view once photo. To recover your WhatsApp view once photo, it has a simple trick. So first of all, you have to go to your WhatsApp and then you have to click on that photo. So it is a view once photo. You can't view another time. So again, go for another photo. So here you can't see any option to recover view once photo. So you have to go back. And here on the top right, there is a three dot option. Go for that. Go for the setting option. And here you have to go for the chat. And here you have to click on the chat backup. So here you have to back up your chat. Backup is in progress. You have to wait until the backup is completed on your device. So if that also doesn't solve your problem, you have to long press on your app, go for the eye icon and clear the all data and cache here. By the help of this process, you can recover your WhatsApp view once photo. If this doesn't help you, then you have to try the another step, that is to uninstall your app, uninstall your WhatsApp app fully. Go for the uninstall and okay. After that, you have to go to your Play Store or App Store. Then you have to search for WhatsApp on your device. Then click on WhatsApp, go for the install option, and you have to wait until the WhatsApp Messenger has fully downloaded on your device. The WhatsApp Messenger has been installed on my device. So the WhatsApp Messenger app has been successfully downloaded. After that, you have to open this on your device. Then you have to select your language here and go for the agree and continue. Here you have to add your number in this box and you have to go for next. So here they are sending the verification code to your email. To check your email, go for your email and here you can see the verification code. So they are verifying your code. So the verification code has been completed. So go for continue and go for allow. So here you can see that they are looking for backups. Go for the restore option, not for the skip option. Go for the restore option. So they are preparing to restore all your messages and chat photos on your device. So wait until the restore backup has been completed. After that, you have to go for next option and go for next. Skip that. So if you want to create a passkey, go for create passkey. If you want to skip that, go for skip option. So here you can see that they are restoring the media. So wait until the restoring has been completed. Once your WhatsApp downloading photos has been updated, then you can recover your WhatsApp view once photo. So that's the process how to recover your WhatsApp view once photo on your WhatsApp. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.